Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're inside the RV doing some RV home improvement projects, so stay tuned. Okay, so today we're inside the RV and we're going to tackle a very messy cabinet issue. And I'm going to show you a really simple solution to actually gaining some additional storage space in these cabinets and separating some items so that everything's not just thrown in there. So in this cabinet you can see we keep bowls and lids and just general kitchen items, but it's kind of thrown in there. It's pretty well organized. Tina's a good organizer, but you know, sometimes we get to where we're going and things are kind of moved around, or it's just kind of a hassle to restack. You can see how those lids are stacked. So what we're going to do today is we're going to add a shelf, kind of a mid shelf, so that we have a place to stack some other stuff up on top. And then this cabinet is my tech cabinet, or one of my tech cabinets, where I keep, you know, my Rode mic and some cords, and the drone is up here, and the gimbal and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to add a shelf in this one as well to make it a little more organized. Picked up this shelving at my local hardware store, big box hardware store, and this is just a closet shelf that you use with a closet organizer. It's got this front edge on it, and traditionally this edge is used to hang things from, or different sorts of brackets they make so you can organize your stuff. What I like to do with these is mount the shelf in the cabinet with this lip up, and then that way when you put stuff on it, it's less likely to slide off during transit. Now, I've already cut one for the shelf that we're working on. Kind of see it here. I just kind of cut it to length, and I also cut off this back section because it's just too deep. This is exactly the depth of the cabinet, the entire shelf, but I don't want it to come all the way to the front because it's going to be kind of a hassle to get stuff in and out if it's all the way to the front of the cabinet by the door. Pretty easy to cut with simple tools. Measuring tape, a Sharpie to mark it with, and that's really all there is to it. I'm going to go in and install this, and then we'll show you what it looks like after. And it's pretty simple. Okay, so I got these little clips. I'm going to put one on each corner and then screw it into the wall. So I've generally located where I want the shelf, up here. And I'm going to, because this is the outer wall of the RV and it's basically just a sandwich of fiberglass foam and Luan, really thin plywood. I'm going to go ahead and drill and put a molly in that came with these little clips. And then I'll level the shelf and I'll put a molly in that side as well. And we've got to be very careful not to go too deep because this is the outer wall of the coach. I only put those in part of the way with the screw gun because I don't want to strip them out or strip out the molly, so I'll go the rest of the way with just a screwdriver. That way I know I'm not over tightening them. These are going to be super light duty shelves anyway. We can't put anything super heavy on them because there just isn't enough in the wall holding them back. So here we go. Now we'll get it level this way. Alright, I got these little clips. If I can get it to focus. They're actually used for cable, like cable TV cable. But I'm going to use this to attach this corner like that. And that'll keep it from bouncing up and down. Okay, so I got this shelf in. I put 2 clips here to hold this side. On this side I put a key in, screwed it to this. There's a frame member of the cabinet right here, so I screwed it to the frame member, and then it's just inside the edge of the shelf to hold it up because there's nothing here to screw to. So that was a pretty simple solution. And then I have a clip in the back corner and a clip in that back corner. So it's pretty solid. It's going to be for light use only, but let's get the lids in there and we'll see how well it works. Cool. Wow, it actually makes the cabinet look bigger.
Well, I have more stuff I could put in there.
Yeah, but even if you set this in there, look at that. Still have more space. Cool. One little shelf almost doubles the cabinet space.
Utilize more. There's empty space could be.
Yeah, it could be organized a little bit better, but
I'll work on that.
you'll work on it
Later.
All right, so now I'm going to tackle my side. Going to cut my shelf to fit. We'll figure out. I think I'm just going to put it just above those outlets right there, about right here. All right, got a shelf mounted on my side. I used the same theory with the key on this corner, and then I put 3 clips across the back just so it can hold a little more weight, and then a key on this end, and it's very secure. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. All right, there we go. I got my 2 bins back in there and my Roku right here. It's pretty cool to have this shelf in here because I got my mic laying up there, my my gimbal's back there in the back in its case. But the cool thing is when we're stationary, I can just lay stuff up here and then I can still pull these out without having to move everything 100 times. Now when we travel, I'll put that stuff or put something under them so they're not banging on this shelf as we drive. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. I can throw extra cables up there and just extra stuff. It's always good to have room for extra stuff. All right, so there's Tina's cabinet all organized. All the lids fit. There we go. And there's my cabinet. All right. Another project in the books. Thanks for checking out our latest video. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, click on the little bell to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thanks again.